Hey, excuse me, can you tell me the price of this beautiful shirt? This shirt costs $150. Oh, 150? That's too expensive. Can I get a discount? I'm sorry, but the price is fixed. We don't offer discounts on this item. Okay, let me think about it. How about this one? It is on sale for $75. Oh, that's perfect. I will take 75 of them, please. I apologize for the confusion, but the price of the shirt is $75, not 75 shirts. Oops, my mistake. I will just take one of them, please. Great choice. Let me get that for you. Oh, it fits perfect. I like it. I am glad you like it. Is there anything else I can help you with? Actually, those shoes look nice. Can I try them on? Of course, here are the shoes. What size do you wear? Size? Oh, I wear size 10,000. I think there might be a translation issue, but let me find size 10 for you. Thank you for your patience. Hey listeners, it is your turn. Can you share with us in the comments below a word that you learned or remember from the conversation at the boutique? I hope you learned a lot from the conversation at the boutique, and next time you can easily find what you're looking for while shopping. That's all for now, and thank you for listening.